So your power in your RV outlets does not work. Something's probably fried, right? That's what you're thinking. No, it's your GFCI plugs, guys. I'm gonna show you how to reset them, how to troubleshoot them. And if it's not that, then I have a bonus tip at the end of this video. So stay tuned. If you like it, hit subscribe, but let's jump into it. Let's get this problem fixed right now. All right, tribe. So you're trying to make something work. You're trying to plug in your charger, a fan in this case, and it is just not working. So you come over here. This is your problem. You're plugging it in. As you see here, it's in there good. We have power, right? We have our lights on in our RV. We have lights throughout our RV. So the power source is there. But when we go to turn our item on, there's nothing coming out. So you want to go back over to your GFCI. Come in right here. Hit the reset. Probably because you had your charger going, a fan, a hairdryer, coffee pot. Once you reset it, you'll get a green light right on here, guys. GFCI. Normally, this will fix your problem. You go back and plug it in. You come over to your item. We turn it on. Let's go. Yes! I'm a genius? No. It's just part of the RV life. So we have our fan working, it's plugged in. Now, normally your camper will have only one of these special type of GFCI plugs or outlets. Normally in your kitchen, your bathroom, or your outside kitchen. Now you'll have multiple outlets protected by this plug. What's happening is whatever you're trying to plug in, your coffee pot, your hair dryer, if you're trying to run them at the same time, you're going to pop that breaker. It's too much of a power surge. So we have more of these outlets throughout the camper. As I'll show you here, you might have one in your bedroom. You might have one in your bathroom. You might have one on your outside kitchen. Any of these plugs, when they're tripped with too much power, will pop that breaker and you will have to reset it. Now, the bonus tip, if that's not working, if that's not the case, then you want to come over here. You want to locate your breaker. As you look in here, one of these might be popped. If you see it popped one direction or the other, then you have to reset it. That could be a quick fix as well, guys. If it's something more serious than that, you want to seek professional help, probably from an RV dealer, electrician, something in that case. If you like the video, hit subscribe. I'll see you next time.